Good morning, friends. Today I will show you where to buy the drones in a low price in India. First, the things that you need is an Android device or a smartphone and the credit card, debit card, or whatever banking services you have. So, first, the things that we need is to go to the Play Store and open it. Here, first you have to search here RC Moment. It is already came. I'll open it. And here as you can see I have already downloaded it. RC Movement, RC Hobby Shopping, the global online shopping. As you can see, you can buy the drones here at a very low price and it easily ships to India. I have already ordered two drones and I will show how to order from here. So I'll open it first. Here the opening is going on. It will open and you can see flash deals, new arrivals, warehouse categories, and their whole lot has came out. I will again refresh this so that the cache data never comes again. As you can see, the drones here are in a very low price. As I will go the categories section, you will see it better and clearly. I will go to categories section, and here there are various lot of categories like RTF, PNP, BNF, RTF ready to fly, plug and play, BNF bind and fly, aerial photography. Then I will go for ready to fly. These are ready-made drones that are ready to fly only when we got the drone. As you can see, the drones are a very low price like 2719, 1291, 1495, 1835, etc. etc. So first I will get a drone that I like it. I like this drone. It's very pretty cool. As you can see, original JJRC, the Wi-Fi 480 pixel camera folding mini drone at a very low price, 2039. It ships to India by super saving, or you can go for standard shipping or expected shipping or priority shipping. Priority shipping takes a lot of money, so I prefer standard shipping only. And I play here apply. And I've applied it and it came that 7 to 20 days it will be shipped here as you can see. Now you can get the description about the drone, what it has or what's its specification, like easy to fly, packable, movable mini drone, G sensor control, etc, etc, like this, HD aerial photography, and everything you need to know about the drone. I have also ordered two drones and I feel no customs issue regarding that. I will unbox the two drones when the drones will come to me, and I will post the video again. And I will do here add to cart. It I added to cart success. Pop-up has been come, and it has already been added. Already I have added only one drone beforehand only. So points are available there. You can apply the points to get more discount. The total has been displayed here. Proceed to checkout. Now the things that you need are your credit card, PayPal, or anything. Go to credit card. My billing address is same as my shipping address, and you can place the orders. From here, you can leave a message for special delivery options like that. Now I will show you the two drones that I have already ordered. This is Tech Animesh from YouTube. Thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe it and like it.